about every corn head I've owned, I've modified it to do a better job of picking for me. And when I got a head that really picks the way I want it to pick, it should take all the stalk, all the leaves, all the trash down through the rolls, and I want it to send me clean ears with the inner husk still on them into the combine. I don't want it to take the inner husk off, because then we get a little more shelling that way too. The Capello head did that for me right out of the box. Less head shelling, we were down to a kernel or less per square foot with this head. And normally we thought we were doing good keeping down to that 3 kernels per square feet with our previous head. So we're getting 2/3 of a bushel an acre. Definitely puts more money in our pocket at the end of the day. I've recommended it to all my neighbors. Hands down, probably the best corn head built, bar none.